Narinig mo na ba yung the law of association? Pamilyar ka ba sa quote na, "Tell me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. Because you are the result of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Gaano nga ba kaimportante ang law of association? Paano mo malalaman kung nasa tamang circle of friends ka? At paano mo ma-identify kung sino-sino ang mga dapat mong pakitunguhan? Now, dapat aware ka dyan. Kapag ang madalas mong sinasamahan ay go with the flow, puro inom at puro gala, believe me, mahihirapan kang i-develop ang sarili mo. And yes, hindi ito ganun kadali. To be honest, one of my goal is creating a solid network and the right circle of friends. Sobrang na-appreciate ko ang GC palagi. Project 50 to develop my skills and building my own brand. Building yourself by doing this content creation. Yes, nasa tamang process pa lang ako at hindi ko ito minamadali. I enjoying the process by making daily contents na alam kong dun ako mag-grow. You need to be the right person first to have the right people around you. Yun lang guys. This is my day 17 of Project 50. See you guys tomorrow.